Meta's new headset will track your eyes for targeted ads. Well, how about that? You planned that segue, didn't you?
I was going back and forth with another one, actually. There's another one, but we'll go with this one.
Look at you. That's rude. On one hand, you say Apple's going to just use your eyeballs to unlock your device. And then on the other hand, you say, oh, you're going to get those sweet ad. You're going to get that sweet ad juice, which only Mark can provide. Social media company gets one step closer to reading your mind. This week, Meta revealed the MetaQuest Pro, a new virtual reality headset that costs about as much as a pre-inflation mortgage payment. Easy, Gizmodo. With the punchlines and the setups to celebrate the $1,500 headset, Meta had made some new additions to its privacy policy, including one titled Eye Tracking Privacy Notice. The company says it will use eye tracking data to help Meta personalize your experiences and improve MetaQuest. Well, I guess Gizmodo's reading into it and saying, well, hey, this gives them the opportunity to customize your ad experience using your ID in some way or another, knowing that it's you for certain. I had a weird Instagram ad experience recently with some shoes that I bought, and then all of a sudden they're like, hey, thanks for that. And I'm like, I didn't buy these on Instagram.
It's like, wait, what?
And I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm like, you guys are cool and everything, but I don't know that I invited you over here. But I guess everybody in the world must be cool with it at this point because that's, I guess, the way that it goes now. How do you feel about that, Will?
What? Instagram?
You bought something, and then you're scrolling Instagram, and the company is thanking you for buying it, even though you just bought it off their website separate from Instagram.
I think that's very creepy. I think for some reason the eye tracking is really creepy too. Tracking exactly where you look. I don't know why.
Well, I mean, imagine that, being able to input that data. They're like, oh, look where his eyes went. More of that, more of that, more of that. It's just the manipulation aspect of it. Once all that data gets put together and they're like, look what the humans are doing. The humans keep looking to the bottom left corner. Look what's in the bottom left corner. Let's do more of that. And then you just feel like, what? Who's in control of what? What am I doing? I got to disengage. Where do I disconnect? Where do I unplug? But you can't because the headset's so good and the distraction is so pleasing.
I'm dead.
You're dead. You're just done.
Yeah.
We already knew that. So it could be for targeted ads. Let's see. Meta has already developed a ton of technology for these purposes. The company filed a patent for a system that adapts media content based on facial expressions back in January. Oh, he's starting to not enjoy it as much. Quick, switch the content.
Quickly now.
Back in January, it experimented
salacious
with harnessing and manipulating people's emotions for more than a decade. In January, it patented a mechanical eyeball. Well, we don't know what they're doing to us, man. I'm going to the woods, dude. I'm out there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just me and my
Apple Watch Ultra?
No. I didn't say me and my bow and arrow. That's it.
Okay. You can hunt with Rogan.
I'm just gonna be eating rabbits. You understand?
Elk.
No, I can't. You can't escalate me all the way to elk.
Oh, okay.
That's tougher to deal with.
Sure.
I gotta store it. I'm in the, what am I doing? I'm freezing out there. Need something quick.